You know how long I get my salary? I get my salary in this channel in 1 year 2 times. In 1 year, I just get $200. Imagine, it's so 1 year, it's just I got $200. It's very weak my revenue before, and after that I get 100, and it's not even when you reach 100 plus, you will get like $89. It's not exactly like $100. Oh, okay, congrats. Thank you. Thank you. That's a good length of time. Yeah, the YouTube channel, just we don't hesitate that we will get more money, because sometimes we are lucky, sometimes we are unlucky. Not all the time it's New Year. Not all the time it's New Year. Oh, baby, when you talk like that. Jaja, I will help you with salary. Oh my God, how are you will help me my salary? Thank you, Jim. Greg. Just wait. Thank you so much, Jim. Greg, thank you. Papa Jimbo, thank you. Now you jingle. I gotta go. I'll back before I go. All right, Papa Jimbo, thank you so much. Bless you. Bless you, Papa Jimbo. Later, Jimbo.